Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing video. What we have here, Galaxy A32s 5G. It's time to replace my Honor 10, which I got roughly one and a half years ago. I just broke the screen, but I was about to change it because the Kirin 710 it doesn't keep up. This one has the Snapdragon, I believe, 776, 778. Anyway, you can find the stats. So this is the white color, 128 gigabytes of memory. I got it from eBay, sealed. It has AMOLED screen. It has a jack. It has wide angle lens. It has pretty much everything I want. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. So we have the knife here, so let's open the device. Nice. And now Samsung Galaxy, let me put it. And right, we have all the paperwork here. That's a nice presentation. The tool to remove the pin. There is a quick start guide, but who really needs a guide nowadays? That's it. Now it's empty. The phone itself, let's go and see. This is a 15-watt brick. I don't think it's the fastest, but it's not the slowest either. So yeah, that's good that we still have a brick. Type-C cable, I have loads of them, but yeah, one more. And basically that's it. We don't have any headphones or anything else. So this is the phone. It looks absolutely gorgeous, right? I'm really pleased. So it has like 4 cameras, and that's the flash. Color is amazing. Yeah, let's see. So I think right, the back is plastic, however it has a really nice feel. It doesn't you can't see the fingerprint marks. Camera does have a bump, you can see there. So we have Type-C, speakerphone, 3.5mm jack, SIM card is up on the top, all the cameras, power button. Phone is absolutely, this is a glossy finish, right? In all honesty, fits perfectly on the hand. This is the camera up here and looks absolutely gorgeous. So from the looks, I'm really pleased. Thanks for watching, guys.